friends, relax, sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn the concept matrix. The plural form of matrix is matrices. Here, this is the definition of matrix and this is the general form of matrix. First, we can see an example. For example, B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a matrix. Usually, matrix will be represented in a square bracket. And these are the elements in the matrix. And here, we will write the number of rows and number of columns of this matrix. Here 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 by 3. This part denotes the number of rows and this part denotes the number of columns. The name of the matrix usually given in capital letter. Another example, C equal to A, B, C. Here, within the square bracket, the elements will be in small letter and the name of the matrix will always be in capital letter. Here, the number of rows is 3 rows and column is only 1 column. So, this matrix is 3 by 1. This is known as order or size of the matrix. Another example, D equal to 1. Here only 1 row and 1 column. So 1 by 1. A matrix is a rectangular array or arrangement of entries or elements displayed in rows and columns within a square bracket. So within a square bracket, we will enter the numbers in rows and column format. This is the general format. This Aij represent the elements and this A represent the whole matrix. This M cross N, this M denotes the number of rows and this N denotes the number of columns. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.